I was blown away by my new air fryer. This new cooking kid on the block is certainly big at the moment, but will it stand the test of time? And how did the inventor come up with their harebrained invention? Perhaps they were blow drying their hair rather too long when, ding, they had a light bulb moment. Barbecues, eat your heart out, because here's your replacement, the hairdryer cooker. Just imagine that your scalp is the melted cheese. Ouch. No prizes for guessing why I didn't opt for grated cheese, since it would have blown away. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Now that you've seen that video, you might want to click on these other cardboard adventures.